What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. Happy New Year's. This is the first video I'm recording in 2020. It's not the first upload. I uploaded something else, but that was 2019. We're in 2020 now. So, yeah, but what I'm gonna be installing on the car today is a rear diffuser and the side splitters. Maybe these side splitters, because gotta figure out where they go. I have the body kit, so it kind of extends this out, so I don't know, it's gonna be harder to see where to put the bolts in and where to place it, but we'll figure it out. For now, I am definitely putting on this rear diffuser right here that my homie hooked it up with. Shout out to him, Big Mike. He has the cleanest S2000s, one of the cleanest S2000s in San Diego. It's just simple and clean and looks amazing. Anyways, so I'm gonna be installing that today, and maybe the side splitters as well. Alright, so let's see how that goes for us. Let's get into it. Alright, so the bolt that I will be taking off is this one. I'll be connecting these brackets right there. Same on this side. Should be easy, right? Supposedly, that's how it goes. Alright. Boom. Boom. Alright, so I got the brackets on. Now I'm gonna put this on, but I'm gonna jack it up so I can lift up, so I can mount it to the brackets, so I can like get it on there pretty good. So then I can put these pieces, because these pieces go on the side, but in order, I want to line them up well and make sure everything is good before I even drill anything into the bumper and connect this, because it's got to drill it, put some screws in, screw it in. But it needs to line up with this right here. Boom, like that, or however it goes, maybe like that. I don't know, we'll figure it out. It's probably for the other side. Alright, so I got it jacked up. Just gonna put the brackets with the bolts. Should be good. Alright, so I got everything on. It's not on, but like I got this middle piece, at least the bigger piece is on. Still need to do the sides right here, but so I do got a problem. This one came out a little I don't know if I need to, it's definitely not straight. Because okay, so basically there's this bolt, this one right here is the original hole, but there's these brackets right here that I like, those ones right there, those ones right there, that I have it on over here. You see it, put it over here. See, those brackets right there, so they weren't lining up, and I didn't just want to have it stuck to the bumper from this hole. I wanted it on the bracket so I could get more support, so I put it on there. This one came out good. I made another hole, came out like perfect right there. Now this one, it did, but on this side, it's like, as you can tell, this bolt needs to be at an angle more, so I need to angle this more. Now there's an issue, I don't have my drill bits, I can't find them. I have this one, but then I'll have the drill gun, I'll have them with the locking. So that's an issue. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. I don't know yet. I'm gonna have to figure it out. For the meantime, I'm gonna put on the sides for over here for the bumper. And then, yeah, another thing is right here. So yeah, my bumper, my exhaust is hitting. I don't know if I want to keep it like that. We'll see. If I could put on the other exhaust, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm not sure right now. But we'll see. Figure it out. Update real quick. So I put on those things. They're on. But I am taking off the exhaust. I'm going to put on my other exhaust. Taking it off. See how it goes. Alright, so I got it on. The exhaust is on. Everything is, well, it's kind of on. It's still, but I'm figuring out if I want to put some like long little brackets and leave it right there, or lift it up, make it look flush and whatnot. It's still, but I mean like that. It's some like long little brackets right here. Still debating. I don't know. I had to kind of rush because I had to. Looks good so far. Alright, there it is. It is installed. It is good to go. This side looks a little off, but for now, it'll do. It'll do. I don't know if y'all can see that. See how you can tell it's a little off? Alright, so I'm gonna lower it down to the ground, and then I'm gonna start it as well. Be the first start with the exhaust since a while. So let's see how that goes. Looks pretty damn good. I'll have to get it more in the light, but for now it's looking good.